Okay, what's going on, y'all? It's been a long time since I posted a video. I made a couple videos, but you know, it's kind of like the one takes right here. One take. Take 10. So this is a 69 Charger. It is a 383 car. It was numbers matching, but the block went bad on us. You could tell it did have a top at one time, and we filled a lot of the other holes and then put these guys on right there. Actually didn't think it was going to look good, but now I kind of like it. And the car also was that like neon green, but sometime or another it had been blue, orange, and a bunch of, you know how these Chargers get like 10 different colors. So she's painted. All of the body work's been done legit. It's all metal. New fenders in the front. The doors have been fixed. All this has been cut out and put metal in. Same with the back window here. And back there, I think that's original piece right there actually. And then the interior right now, it's locked, is original still to the car. So that's still a work in progress. But as far as the rest of the car goes, she's super clean now. Other thing, like little shit still, like headlights. The vacuum canisters are bad. Let's get her open here. Hate these little hooks in here. Here we go. There she is, all her glory. Built 383. It's got Edelbrock Performer heads and manifold, and a Holley double pumper, kind of just hidden in there. And we're gonna do like aluminum radiator, get rid of the flex fan. This is just kind of make it like movable for now, and do a couple other things. We got to rejet the carb, but right now it's on a safe, drivable tune. So he can drive it, and he's got to break the cam in anyways, so it's perfect right now. Of course, you're not classy unless you got a Gatorade bottle coolant catch. You know, stuff like that. Well, there she is, man. I had to make a quick video. I will make one of it running. This thing literally, you push the gas pedal down once to activate the choke, and she fires right the fuck up. So it is a turnkey car, and she's looking good, man. Bonus trivia right here: these wheels, they are brand new, but they are not factory wheels. What are they? They are in fact General Lee. And they're actually special edition, stamped on the back. You can't tell, but they're the same rally wheels that were on the General Lee. And other than the number missing off the side and like the trim and stuff, you never really know. This is probably cleaner than any General Lee back in the day. Alright, y'all. Peace out, man.